Today we're making twice cooked roasted pumpkin soup. Two-step, very easy, super easy to chop up veggies. So we're going to chop up pumpkin, onion and garlic and roast them just to bring out that enhanced flavour, to just make that soup out a little bit more better, and then we'll throw it into the Froothie and it'll cook itself. Let's get started. So with our recipe, we're making a whole food, plant-based, vegan recipe with no oil. So if you're wondering what we use as our additions, I can let you know that we've picked up this red curry paste. It comes from Aldi. It's got no oil in it. It's quite flavoursome. And for flavour, we use the Massel brand stock, vegetable stock. They also have a chicken and beef, but the vegetable one is a really good all-purpose one to have in your pantry.